Hello everyone. Trial Orblings, where I believe it's this is fun. Why would I go this way? Ever? I guess some children can point to it back because we are not a tree. Never mind then. How would it look like? How many dialogues would I have with the Trial Orbling? Like 30 or something? 33s? Maybe less. 20? Maybe even 12 or something for every stage. 3. Yeah, 4 stages. Maybe I should add them here. Or of course I use a different text lookup. Could add that as an input instead. If I need more clarity here and I have to use different tables, I can easily do that. I think I shouldn't right now. It would be over engineering. I should find out how to do this input random though. It should be like TO1, 1, TO1, 2 or TO1, 3. Something like that. Picking something random. Why are they called 1? Hello, baby. How are you doing? Oh, damn. Get well soon. Take it easy, yeah? I'm fine. How's the volume of the music? Is it too loud? Okay. Won't overdo it. Take it easy. At one point I have to add some kind of portrait here. Names and so on, who's talking. And my eyes are so itchy. Still not again. Ah. Okay, let's see if we can trigger a dialogue first. It will of course not work, but at least we should be able to read what's going on before we implement the battle itself. So here's the battle. I will click on it instead. Hunt or die. No. And it's over. That works, but we need to make it wait, do I want it to trigger when I touch it, or do I want it to trigger when I interact with it? Also, I might have a problem here. If I have NPCs standing around, I might not want to walk into them. So at one point I need to implement walk blocking geo. I can add them to the NPCs, and when my character tries to walk over them, this one is scanned first. And if it's scanned, then we cannot walk on it, only on next to the edge. This will be hard to implement, but very, very important to implement, I think. Anyway, talking works. Now I need to actually fire it. Two instructions. I need an instruction for battle now. Those dialogue is the same thing still, but we need this now. Battle with a payload. Luckily I implemented a payload. Don't need this. controller. How do we start a battle? Right now it was with the touching, right? I need a similar... function. This one. Touch player. What happens then? If true, starts that explosion thing. Probably somewhere. Standard battle. Elf. We need to spawn a battle controller. Initialize it. Maybe this should be a function instead. Not inside here, but maybe in our library. And then I prepare a battle. Why do I spawn the battle controller somewhere specific? Is it because it triggers the explosion? Initialize standard battle, what does that do? Does some values there. First input, that input, whatever, stop movement, explosion, initialize sphere effect, set material, set camera. Oh hey Serial. It's from Mirror's Edge. It's called Shard. Welcome, welcome. Where do I... Ah, there it is. Yes, I'm using the actual thing. I guess I'm fine. My allergies are distracting me a little. What else? I'm fine. How are you doing? Oh, get well soon. Wait, how did this get triggered? This is always... I see. Same thing when my allergies hit me like a truck, but right now it's fine. Right now only my eyes are a little itchy, but if I were to stay outside for a long time, oh god. Or at my parents' home, they live next to a field, man. That kills me. Do I have the position? Holocraft. Who tells me to do this? Yeah, this guy does. I guess does not give me any information of the position. I guess. You know, the thing is, people usually think that fresh air is a good thing. So people open windows, right? The problem is, when you do that, pollen get in. So if you cannot how to say, convince other people that the fresh air might be problematic, then you have to live with the consequences. The only place I'm doing it is here. Maybe I should just send the interaction object in there. Something like that. And then, wait, where was it again? Here. Hold on a minute. We don't need this. We are already the one. Clear dialogue. Never mind, no. Okay. And then are here. Self. That's right. Okay. Fresh air is overrated. I don't care what everyone thinks. When nature tries to kill you, you change your mind about fresh air. Oh. Dialogue, default, creation behavior. Wait. I mean, I can. Could save it. Maybe that's the thing I should do. Current triggered interaction object. Like that. Enter dialogue. And then we can just set this in here. And then when we're done with it, close dialogue, and just do, no, not at close dialogue. If I do it at close dialogue, problematic, because I close the dialogue before I do the rest. I guess I have to live with it. That it will always have a reference. How can I don't like that there is a reference in here even though I'm closing the dialogue. How can I clean it up properly? The first way that comes up into my mind would be if there is no note to do anymore, then do the cleanup. How do we do this? How do we follow notes right now? Execute maybe. Current graph. Next note, not valid, close dialogue. We have a good system for keeping everything decoupled, so it's easy to edit later. I'm trying to battle with that. Yeah, I'm using controllers. I have singleton controllers, which are like modules of my things, and they have their own little modules that I can exchange. Like I have here some major modules here in the controllers. These are like the brain of my my little game. I just call them a controller. You can call them whatever. It's like I spawn one of these and make sure there is only one. So if I ask for a game controller and there is no game controller, I spawn it, and if there is one, I pick the one that is spawned. The parent is a controller class, which has like my execute command thing where I can play around with it with just strings, make then some switches and so on. So I could potentially use these for command console things. Yeah, this is an actor, but this thing, abstract controller, this game controller is from abstract controller. And then that thing also has a command signal. So basically it's just an actor with two little things on top. These are not important, these are just quality of life implementations. And then this game controller is like the thing that starts everything. Like start game, and then it does all the other controller initializations. My biggest controller right now is the UI controller, I would say. That thing controls all the UI things. It has a state machine inside that knows what to do. This is not pretty, but it's fine. And the UI controller then creates the UI itself and makes sure that if we leave the UI, that it's properly cleaned up and stuff. So the UI can create other UIs which are their own thing, and I can exchange them if I want to. But yeah, basically I have like controllers which do some part of my game, and then they are decoupled with each other. So I do trigger this anyway. What happens if it is close already? Node map length is bigger than 0. What if it's 0? A level object. Ah, resume, yes. Tools menu, clear. I'm not sure, but I have the feeling this is triggered 2 times. Print 1, print 2, print 3. Let me test real quick. So, hello, whatever, leave. Goodbye. 1 and 2. That only happens once. When does it happen more than 1, 2? Okay. Interesting. One way to do it, just make everything into an actor. Ah, well, the things I showed you are like major game systems. I would use actor component for smaller things, like does your character need to jump? Add a jump component. Something like that. Of course, it can be a little bigger than that, but if you have a behavior that you want to use everywhere but don't want to use object inheritance, just use components. Yeah. But the controllers I have, they are like major systems. Here, dialog graph. Does that entail? Good graph. Does this never happen? Execute current graph. Where does that go? Here. Choice. Maybe this cannot go. How do I go to the next node? Current node, next node. Do code instructions. I guess I have to look into my inputs. Put router. Hello, Yummy. Welcome, welcome. Execute key. Battle UI input is my dialogue a UI input? Or is it an overworld one? Dialogue here. Goes here. Dialogue interaction. Base execute current graph. There we go. It's the same thing. So if we trigger execute current graph with a spacebar, it will go here and do something, and if it has no node, then it will close dialog. This is just a failsafe. This will never get triggered because I am telling it to close anyway. Okay. So if I close it, resume whatever, but we also have two instructions. Ah, this is a for each. I see, it cleans up first and then it would trigger the battle, so I still cannot make this to 0. I would need it to make 0 here, which would imply that we are closing the dialogue always after a fight starts. I guess I have to. Yami, I saw you played Prey. How was that going? We cannot use the selves here. Going good, you say? Alright then. So the one that triggered self is... who's self? Okay, wait. Where is the... here. So the Orpling itself and self. This is so stupid. I think I'm missing something here. Like the player. Okay, what did I want to do here? I guess I wanted to place the battle controller between the player and the Orpling. So we have the Orpling plus whatever happens here divided by 2 everything. The direction we add the direction of where the player is, divide this by 2 and add it to the Orpling, so we have the half points. But this needs to be the player. Can we get player? Do I have a function for this? Maybe I should write a function for this. Where are my helpers? Here. Camera movement, stats, utility. Find first. Give play. I guess we don't have it. And we write it. Get player. Objects. First class. This is a function I wrote, by the way. This is so I can search for any class I want without using the get all from class. This one just gives me the first it finds. And since I have singletons out there, I can make sure there's only one. What do I want? I want the player. Overworld player entity. No, I want the overworld controller, because that one has the player. Overworld entity get player get, oh come on, get player. Ah, wait, does it not have it, or did I call it differently? The player, called the player. Event graph, build. Wait, function. Okay then. Get the player. Default. Where's the player? Oh, don't tell me it's a private one. What the hell? Is this private? No, it's not. Why can't I get it then? The player. Are you kidding me? Why can't I grab it? Did I... Overworld controller. Oh. Over controller, please. The player. Okay, now. Now we're cooking. And then overworld player entity objects. Output overworld player entity objects. And with this we now can get the player objects. Okay, get player objects. And use it here. And do it for the trigger objects. And we should be golden. Now whatever we sent here, I'm not sure yet. But the explosion should be now in the correct position. How does it know what color to explode to? Need to find that out first. Okay, initialize. Wait, that triggered. I guess this is used for that. Cluster recall. No, it's not. Oh boy. I have to set the battle type to something. A special one, or TO. I need to add a TO. Trial Orblings. Okay. But still. Repair. That input, that's fine. Soft movement. Yes. Initialize sphere effects. By what? Light side. Ah, I need to do it with the prepare. Interesting. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, I need to add another payload. So with battle we will be down here, and then maybe promote to local variable so we don't have to go so far up. Can still call it, of course, because we can call this, but I like to have them like this so I know they are local. Boom. Now we can also use this down here. Yeah, oh, okay. Maybe also get the index. Promote local current loop index. Like so. But now I can grab this. String array. Text here. TO whatever is in index 0. And then I could also add speaking of which, I remember we had a cool function. This thing, string payload to string map parser. But doesn't matter. Okay. We say, what do we say? If it's dark, then it's dark. If it's not dark, then it's light. We are on the other side anyway, so this is not bad. Yet the first one will be the index, and the second one will make sure if dark, so we make a not here, not bool. This goes in here and we can get rid of this. Now we have to add 2 battle groups in here. The first one would be player entity. That's funny because we have him here, right? Overworld player entity. We can reuse this and add it here. We can get rid of this thing. And then now we have to implement something to make the other one. I guess it will need an advanced CPU, I wonder. Because maybe I don't want him to always attack the same thing. We will see. Initialize. Self is not correct. Why is that needed? What does this do? Okay, we don't need this. Maybe I should invest a little time for an Autobot blocking spammers. I should look into it. Guys, you have to remind me that I have to look into this in the weekend. Could be not that hard. I think I already made some screenshots where to look for. Thank you, Yummy. Swarm. So we need to do this thing. And this thing can actually be null. Doesn't matter. So the only thing that we still need to implement is to get a pre-made battle group. Then it will start a fight actually. And for that we have this thing. Maybe I need to make a data table. Do I do a data table or do I get the info from this? It could be here, but I need to know a battle group. I could spawn the battle group with the generator, but I need to create a battle group instance, that is. Not a standard encounter. Summoner boss. Interesting. This is not good. Where is my battle controller? This is from battle type enum. And this is from battle group type enum. This is not good. Initialize standard battle. Maybe that's the problem. Do this, get this, and then now what is this battle type? From battle type, this needs special. Trial Orblings. And where's our other battle type? Yeah. Interesting, it's not there. Battle type, where is this? In Orblings. I have to merge them both. Where is this getting used? I need to refactor this. Oh shit. It's in battle controller. Battle type is in battle controller. Which is true. No, wait, battle group type. That's fine. No, this is okay. They are two different things. That's fine. That's absolutely fine. Standard, summoner, boss, special. We don't need special here. There's not a special competitor yet. But we need Trial Orblings. Okay, boom. This guy, Trial Orblings. Boom. And then Trial Orblings initialize. Okay. So now we changed this thing. Still need to get group entity classes. Ay 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 ay. This is an object though. Yes, I need a similar thing for data tables. So there's no way. I need data tables or some kind of thing where I can spawn them. Battle system, battle group, Trial Orblings infos. Group info struct. Battle group info struct. Tribe Orblings battle group info et. And then and do plus visual entity. Damn it! That does not work. Where am I using that? Excuse me? Find references. No, this one, please. And references is in. I'm not using it. This is a dead struct. Right, if I want to use this, there are references, but this thing has no reference. This can go away. Add group instance info. So I need to make a struct that has all of this. Battle group struct info struct this, and then anything this has needs to land in here. So let's grab this window to the side. Create it. Oh damn, this is so small. Okay, we don't need the battle type. We might need the battle type. Okay, let me recreate it one to one. Battle group type. We will not use this for tribe openings because they are always tribe. Group entity. Oh no, it's like, what is this? Name and abstract internal stepped. This is a single name map abstract internal. That. Then exit energy. Then front. It is elements. Struct, please. Elements Holy shit, man. And data table for reward pool. Okay, so this is a battle group type. This is a group and the infos class. This exit energy reward for mission front and battle reward pool table. So this is not optimal because now I have like this one and this guy mirroring the same data structure. It would be better if I had this as the struct here. That would mean that anything that I created now would lose all information I would need to make them again. There are not that many to do, but still annoying, so whatever, let's keep both for now. At the point where I want to change this, I could just add this and make a smooth transition or something like that. Anyway, now we have this, now we can create the data table. Where is it? Here. And this is battle info struct. And this is called Trial Orblings infos dt. And then we have one trial Orbling which is called 1-1. This is whatever. We will never check this anyway. This is something to add. I don't know if we even write something here. We can check though. Okay. This is info. We have 9 in there. So they are just random IDs. Doesn't matter for us since we will have probably only one. We call it 0. We have to add something here. Abstract internal that class, please. Right? Yeah. Now we can add any of these. So I need to create some internal stats for the Trial Orblings. Energy reward is 0. Formation front, it does not matter. Reward, we will have to add something like that in here. But for now we have the ID. Now I can go here, which means we will have the ID here. Does the battle controller know about the Trial Orblings? Do I have a global data table for this? It shouldn't be in the dialog state machine, no? Where would I add this data table to be accessed from. Do I add this to our game controller? Here. Global data table map. And then we say names. A map of data tables. And then find get global maybe I just duplicate this, get global data table map. No, not map. Like this. Find this, that, but not find in global data table map. And this is our data table. Boom. Okay. Find references. Get global data table value. Data table. Out here. Value. Data table get. E goes in here, goes in here, and here. Alright, so we have that. Now we have to go to our thingy at Trial Orblings info battle group info, and tribe at this. Boom. Now I can use this. In here, get data table, get global data table value with this, and we have it. All right. Then I can use this, get row, this thingy, break tribe. Okay, what was it called? Trial Orblings, not tribe. Why am I always trying to write tribe everywhere, man? My brain is so stupid. Data table, whatever. Tribe. This is not tribe. Blueprints. Battle groups. Trial. Trial. Even there. Trial Orbling. Trial. Okay. Anywhere else? Tribe. God damn it, man. Trial, okay. Trial. Break. Trial. There we go. Whew. Now we don't need the info anymore. And use this. Are you fucking kidding me? What? Battle info. Holy shit, okay. So this one will stay. This goes in. Energy we don't care. Information we don't care. Reward we might care. Okay. So now you have to create the trial Orpling itself. That's resets player. What kind of thing is this? Abstract internal stat. Okay. Trial Orpling presets. Then we say abstract internal stat, and this is the TO 1. Okay, and then we add some infos here after we save and close it and open it again. So this one page. Instance ID. Does it matter? No. Name. Does it matter? Trial of the first or something, I don't know. Type, we don't care about types. Element slots, probably doesn't matter. Let's see, is it mattering with other standard ones? Avatar, overall presets. No, base ID is important. So the first Orpling we will add should be a dark one, which is Orky, Snack, Gorgon or Slimy. Let's fight a Slimy, shall we? Then HP modifier and so on we could add, make it a little stronger than the normal Slimy. Received heart damage. MP use. Experience points 100. Level. Does it matter? Level 10. Merge level 0. Evolution points, not evolvable. Ability classes. Crystal. Barrier. Call this crystal. Ability data objects. That will be added. This doesn't matter right now. Permanent status. Okay, so we now have a trial Orpling. A reward. TO. And there it is. And now, since it is in there, are creating it. This instantiated here, so does this go in here then? Are we done? Can we actually fight now? Should we try and see what's going on? I have like it cannot start in my head because we don't have any Trial Orpling battle group yet, but I would like to see a black explosion at least. So let's see. We implemented many things blindly, so I expect many things to go wrong. All right. Wait, what does it say? No world was found for objects. Interesting. For clusters. Doesn't matter for now. Hunter die? No. And black explosion. Ah. The world did not get removed and there's no enemy, but I didn't want to have anything else. So we had the black explosion and that is a win for me. We actually are able to trigger fights now by just talking to something random. This is pretty good. So let's clean this up. Should maybe make start battle. Start battle. Battle. And all of this. Oh. Reload. Promote local. Local payload. And we need anything else. here and here. Then here. Okay. How do we know it's a trial? Okay, we need another information here. Maps, dummy island, save. Here, payload here. Wait, this doesn't matter. What matters is this. No, what matters is this. We need another one which describes what kind of battle. Trial Orpling. Save. And now this is a 1 and this is a 2. We have at 0. Switch. Plus Orblings. So at one point I could add another kind of battle here for arena or duel or something. So if we talk to someone and he's like, hey, I know you, I will fight you, blah blah blah, and then we can make a separation here. Alright, so if it's a trial Orpling, then we get the player and the triggered interaction, whatever. Probably this we can use always for these kind of things. Initialize tribe Orpling battle. This is the thing that's different. But for now we can leave it as is. And then do this. This begins a fight, and next time we have to make sure that it happens. Trial Orblings, yeah, we're on it. Talk with Trial Orpling, that has happened. Make spawnable random. This is something we have to take care of. Remove from spawn array when already collected. This is also something to do, but next time we will actually initialize tribe Orpling battle. Make sure cave world is hidden. Okay, when that happens, we also need to add reward trial Orpling, and this will lead to remove from spawn array. Alright, we did some good progress here. It's again at a point where I know what to do, and it's a lot to do without me frustrating about little things. But yeah, next time we will make sure that the actual fight happens, and we could look that we get the Trial Orpling into our inventory so we can use it for making our Orpling stronger. Anyway, cereal, yummy, baby, thanks for tuning in. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.